Amazon Flex has sparked heated debates among drivers, with some praising its flexibility while others strongly criticizing its low pay, inconsistent workload, and safety concerns. Initially, many are drawn to the program by its promise of quick independent earnings, but experience often reveals a different reality. Unreliable job availability, demanding delivery routes, and unpredictable payouts. Some drivers argue that it's worthwhile if managed correctly, especially for those who enjoy driving and have low vehicle costs. But others highlight significant downsides, including unsafe working conditions, late night deliveries, and accusations that affect account status. Additionally, Amazon Flex's job allocation system often leaves drivers refreshing their screens endlessly, hoping to secure decent paying shifts. Report also suggests that the platform has progressively worsened with lower pay rates, stricter policies, and sudden account deactivations, making it a frustrating experience for many. While some drivers manage to make it work, others believe it's simply not worth the time, risk, and financial strain. If you're considering it, weigh the risk carefully before signing up. There might be better paying, more stable gig options available.